It was already 7 o'clock in the evening when the owner of Nana's grocery store decided to call it a day. After all the lights were turned off, the party among the lively products began.
They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate.
I am Mike, your host for tonight, and welcome to Nana Night. We gather here to welcome a new member.
Hi everyone.
Do you know who she is?
She will never beat my low saturated fat content. I am very versatile. Beat that.
I'm a high quality oil and I can be used more than 7 times.
I'm very sophisticated and rich in antioxidants.
And we are the oil section.
Let's now call on Canola Oil.
Hello, Nana's Grocery. Thank you for the warm welcome. I am Canola Oil and I came from the rapeseed plant. And I have lower uric acid and glucosinolates. Correct! I have omega-6, omega-3, and plant sterols, which are good for the heart. I also have vitamin E. Amazing! That's why you are edible. Yeah, I came from a round of herbicide-resistant rapeseed. A long time ago, some weeds attacked my home, the rapeseed field. The farmers sprayed some herbicides, but everything in the field died. In order for us rapeseed plants to survive, we were genetically modified. GM canola oil was developed by the American biotechnology company Monsanto in 1997 when they introduced the herbicide-resistant canola variety GT37.
An active ingredient of herbicides, glyphosate, inhibits the synthesis of EPSPS, an enzyme essential to make certain amino acids. Without these essential amino acids, canola plants will not survive.
2 genes were added to make us herbicide resistant, both of which came from certain bacteria.
The first gene is the CP4 EPSPS gene from the Agrobacterium strain CP4. This enabled the canola plant to produce the EPSPS CP4 enzyme, which has high tolerance to glyphosate. The other one is the GOX gene from Ochrobacterium anthracis strain LBAA. This gene contains the codes for the production of enzyme glyphosate oxidase, or known as GOX, which breaks down glyphosate into less harmful compounds.
This combined strategy not only gives us GM rapeseed plants enhanced herbicide resistance, but also helps convert glyphosate into less harmful products.
Amazing! So you're like a whole new kind of plant.
Exactly. So how are these genes transferred into the plant? The new genetic material is transferred into a TI plasmid, a circular piece of DNA found in most bacteria. This new or recombinant plasmid vector is transferred into the bacterium Agrobacterium tumefaciens, which is used to replicate and clone the desired DNA.
The Agrobacterium, now containing the special piece of DNA that we want, are now introduced to plant cells, after which they will introduce or transfer this DNA into the plant cell's chromosomes, transforming these cells into a genetically modified organism, or GMO.
And voila! The GM canola is born.
I never thought bacteria would be very interesting.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm still not impressed.
Yeah, how can we be sure that GMO-derived products, like you, are safe for eating?
That's a common misconception. People around the world consume GM canola oil. A lot of its cultivars are being grown in Canada and Australia. Of course, authorities won't let people sell anything unsafe, right? GM canola oil is regulated by various agencies.
Roundup canola has been approved and regulated by the Canadian and Australian health agencies. The crop has also been regulated by the US Food and Drug Administration and the Environmental Protection Agency.
You see, only the plant is genetically modified. I am still the same fabulous and healthy canola oil.
Everyone was amazed on how canola was made. Then, Coco looked at her, and he knew, they all knew, she was perfect.
Who knew genetic modification could enhance the quality of rapeseeds?
I'm pretty sure she'll be the next Nana Supermarket superstar.
She is perfect.
That no matter what he said or might do, it is still hopeless.
She is oil. I am water. We can never be together.